So we've got a turbojet power washer as seen on TV. Turn any holes into a power washer. So I certainly don't need anything like this, but I thought I would give it a try. I just wanted to see how effective this thing was, because I believe without a pump, all they're doing is using the narrowing of a tip to increase the pressure. So we'll take a look at it and see how efficient this thing is. So the overall length of this from end to end is just shy of 30 inches. It's got a stainless steel valve on it, shutoff valve. Appears to be very nice. Aluminum wand, brass ends, and it has a brass end here, a fan type. The other one on the other end is more for more pressure. It's got this little threaded stud on there to store the one that you're not using. So you can see that the one on the left is going to be for pressure, and the fan one is just going to be for more of less pressure, more of a fan type. And so I was just kind of curious to see how this is going to operate. And again, I suspect that all they're doing is using the narrowing of the tips to produce the pressure. So whatever pressure you have in your house, plus the tip being downsized, that's what you're going to get. And I'm going to suspect that this will have very limited use. You're not going to be able to use this in place of a power washer. So I mean, this may have some applications to get some dirt off your house. Nothing that's really stuck on, I wouldn't think, but we'll take a look at it. So we're hooked up to a garden hose, and the first thing I found out is this valve is the opposite of what would normally be. In this position, you think of it as being turned on. So I turned it this way, okay, so that it wouldn't come on. And what does it do? It comes on. So I suspect the reason for that is for your hand position. So with it like this, in the normal way a valve works, that the handle is in line with the flow. If it was this way, a normal valve would be off, because the line is opposing, the handle is opposing the flow of what the water would be. But in this case, it'd be in the way of your hand. So I see why they did that. So when you turn it on, your hand here is free to do it. And as we're looking at it, you can see what force it has. And basically, guys, all they've done is just narrow down this tip, so the water coming out is going to come out at more force. No secret there. But if you don't have a power washer, this may be the next best thing. It's cheap. It was only $19.99 at Lowe's, and for small light-duty jobs, it probably will do pretty well. Now we've got that fan tip on, and this really, to me, isn't much more than a handle that you can buy with various tips on it right here. I don't know that this is any better, and I'll show you, than what you can buy in a handle and get multiple use out of it than this thing. So let's go back to that tip that has got the small opening in it for the force. Okay, now that's only shooting. You see where the end of it is there. Okay, you can do just as well and better with a garden handle, and I'll show you. So guys, let's look at this thing. I think I paid right around $20 for this also, maybe a little more, I forget. It's the Orbit Pro. Bought this at Lowe's also. I got a quick connect on it. But this has multiple, it's got a rotating head with multiple streams. This thing will do just as well as that wand, and you'll have more use out of this, in my opinion. Now here we have that with the fan head, just like the other one. Okay. And here we have it with the stream, and it goes actually further than the wand. This thing shoots further than what that wand did. So, I don't know, guys. I'd say save your money. Buy a tool like this. Doesn't have to be this brand. But something like this is, to me, much more useful than that simple wand. So the bang for the buck is definitely going to be the garden hose fitting with the multi end on it, that you can have multiple streams of water than that turbojet. And for me, it worked better than the turbojet. So, as suspected, guys, this is kind of a gimmicky thing, in my opinion. It's going to get returned. And again, I have a power washer, but as I showed you, that simple garden nozzle is more effective and more efficient, and actually does more than what this turbojet does. So needless to say, guys, this is going to get returned to Lowe's.